And I've actually never been here before. My first time. So let's go see if we can find this trailhead, okay? Shall we? Really pretty fall colors. So this sits at the foothills of the Comanche, I think is how you say it, mountains. And I've actually we're in the Cedar Bluff Nature Trail, and I believe that this one is really short. I think it's less than a mile. It's supposed to have some really pretty views of some of the mountains. The Comanche Mountains. I think that's what I'm saying. This area in southern Oklahoma is actually in the foothills of the Comanche Mountains. And I think some of the Ouachitas overlap as well, but I'm not that geographically inclined, so I don't want to exactly say that. But this is a nice little walk. Let me show you. I love all the reds and the greens, orange, really, really pretty. Now it feels like we're starting a little bit of an incline here, going up a little bit here on this mountain. Oh yeah, definitely starting to feel it. There's a lot of tree roots and rocks, but not too bad. You just have to watch your step, and especially like the pine needles, because you can't really see past pine needles. But look at those views over there. Really, really pretty. Okay, gonna have to slow our pace just a little bit. Okay guys, we're getting a little closer to getting to the top of this mountain here. Oh, we got more. We got more. We got more. We got more, y'all. Look. We got more. Up there. Up that way. Just when you think you're finished, you're not. Woo! I'm gonna be sore in the morning, but that is okay. Wow. Oh, holy moly, y'all. So, we got some more to climb for sure. I would just take your time, go slow, and when we get to the top, we'll get a drink. Wow. Okay. Ooh. I think it's supposed to be really pretty up here though, y'all. So, we'll see. We're almost to the top of this ridge, and then we'll see what's up here. Okay, y'all, so I walked down just a couple of steps. Holy moly, y'all, look at these views, and then look at these views in front of me. Wow. Oh, freaking wow. Y'all, look. I do like that they have a little bit of a barrier here, even though, you know, it, oh, freaking cow, y'all, look. Y'all hear there's a lot of noise down there. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for this portion of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.